Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable integrating EV chargers with Samsung SmartThings step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Samsung SmartThings app is installed on your smartphone. Open the SmartThings app and sign in with your Samsung account. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the options presented. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your specific EV charger model. Tap on the charger to select it. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the EV charger to your home Wi-Fi network. If required, enter your Wi-Fi password to complete the connection. Once connected, the app will automatically discover the charger. After a few moments, your EV charger should appear in the list of devices. Tap on the charger to access its settings. Here, you can customize charging schedules and monitor energy consumption. If available, enable integration features that sync the charger with other SmartThings devices. After adjusting settings to your preference, tap Save to apply the changes. Your EV charger is now integrated with Samsung SmartThings and can be controlled remotely. Congratulations, your setup is complete, and you can manage your EV charging through the SmartThings app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.